Hello, I'm Matthew Howard, practice leader of the tax department at MIJS. I want to start by paying tribute to a great man and founder of our firm, John Moore. John went to be with the Lord November 2018 after a courageous battle with cancer. He founded our firm 35 years ago and served us as managing partner up until his passing. He was a great law partner, but even a greater friend. We miss you, John. So I'd like to talk about our tax department primarily focusing on three areas: trust and estate planning, tax controversy, and tax compliance and planning for individuals, partnerships, and corporations. Our clients are based all across the country. We work very closely with our clients' trusted advisors, including their CPA, financial advisor, CFO, and attorney who may not possess our specific tax knowledge. One area I will discuss in this video is tax controversy. Usually, we are engaged either at the inception of an audit by the IRS or state taxing authority, but most often at the conclusion of such an audit. The taxpayer's CPA or return preparer is typically best equipped to work with the examining agent while the audit is conducted. However, at the conclusion of the audit, if there is an adjustment to their return which results in tax, interest, and often penalties owed, that is when we are brought in to assist. We always conduct an initial interview at no charge to assess the situation and see if we can be of assistance. There are times when the IRS or state is correct in their conclusions. However, there are many instances where they incorrectly interpret the facts and/or the law, and their adjustment is incorrect. As you might know, in most cases, the burden of proof rests upon the taxpayer to demonstrate with clear and convincing evidence that the position they took on their return is the correct one. We will always fairly assess the taxpayer's chance of overcoming that burden. If we are engaged, we have the ability to represent the taxpayer through the administrative process at the IRS, petition the U.S. Tax Court, or file a claim for refund in U.S. District Court, all to final resolution. In some cases, an adverse decision will result in the need to file an appeal, in which case we will assist. Our tax department has handled hundreds of cases over the last 30 years. I've been at MIJS, and I am pleased and humbled that we have had far more victories than losses in our tax controversies. By victories, I'm referring to a favorable resolution that results in the taxpayer paying less tax and legal fees combined versus the adjusted tax, interest, and penalties they initially came to us owing. That is a victory if your attorney's fees plus a reduced tax owed is more than the initial tax owed. That is a loss for MIJS and, more importantly, a loss for the client. We are ever mindful of this throughout the representation. If you have an adjustment to tax owed on your return where you owe more than reported, you may contact us for a fair assessment of your case. Thank you for your attention, and God bless.